Why the crypto summit failed to deliver unity. Hello everyone, the recent White House crypto summit held on 7th of March was expected to be a game changer for Bitcoin and the broader crypto industry. But my question here is, did it actually bring unity? To be honest, the market tell a different story. Bitcoin dropped by 7.3% and a massive outflow happened that is around $370 million. It is clear in the ETF, you can see it. Many supporters were disappointed, especially regarding the Trump administration's approach towards strategic Bitcoin reserve. Apart from that, mixed reactions from experts say a lot different stories. So what did the experts say? Reactions from experts are a little bit mixed. So what did experts say? Miles Duscher, a key voice in crypto space, called the summit encouraging for Bitcoin future. On the other hand, Kyle Samani from Multicoin Capital described it as historic shift. Despite these opinions, analysts are warning that Bitcoin could soon test 70,000 mark. This raised a concern. This massive ETF outflow we just saw raise an immense concern, whereas a big takeaway from summit was the Trump administration plan to incorporate Bitcoin into the US strategic reserve. This means federal entities could buy and hold Bitcoin as a part of their financial strategy. But this raised major concern. Government intervention could crypto decentralized nature, regulatory uncertainty will be there. US government wrote new law for crypto sector, whereas market reaction in Bitcoin's such short-term decline versus its long-term potential that can hit around 150,000. While the summit sparked both hope and doubt, one thing is crystal clear: the debate over Bitcoin's future is far from over. What do you think, guys? Will regulatory help or hurt the crypto market? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you with the next update.